Yes, family, and we're at, you know it, so for Kente Club, this is the headquarters.
Yeah, this is headquarters.
And now, family, remember our good brother, he's going to give us some updates on what's going on in the Kente factory.
Okay, you are welcome to Bonre Kente Weaving Center. Like here, this is the home of Kente. When you say Kente, it means it originated from this village. And
Ebola free Kente.
Yeah.
That's the topic today.
Yeah, Ebola free Kente. Yeah, there is no Ebola here in Ghana and here in Bonre as well. We haven't even get any information about Ebola. So here is Ebola free Kente. So when we want to come to Africa, this is a better place to be in Ghana here and in Bonre as well. Because here we do with a lot of Kente. So if you want to buy Kente, you must be able to come to Ghana and Bonre as well. So here is Ebola free. There is no Ebola here in Ghana.
Excellent, excellent, man. My brother, come here. I want you to show everybody what's inside.
Yeah.
Now do a brief tour inside.
You have so many designs here in Bonre Kente Weaving Center here. You have old and new ones. You have something, some over here is about almost 80 years old. 80 years old Kente cloth. Yeah, old and new ones. You have writing like this one. The one I'm hung up there is greetings from Ghana. Your people just want this one, just a history. You can keep this one for a very long time, just a history.
Oh wow, my brother, show that to our people. It's a greeting from Ghana. I like to see it again.
Yeah, this is a greeting for
You tell your children in future sometime you visit Ghana.
Yeah, and you know, like there's a part of customizing. So if you want any name to be written on the Kente cloth, we does this one here too. So this is a part of our weave. We call it customizing. We can write any name for schools, for siblings, each and every one. If you want to write your name on it, you can just do that for you. Yeah. And when you get inside, we have double weave, we have single, we have triple.
Let's take a short little trip inside so we see this Ebola free.
Yeah, Ebola free Kente cloth. Yeah. Not a single one.
Our family, our group was just in here getting busy.
Yeah.
Wow, a lot of shopping.
Yeah. And Ebola free Kente. Yeah. No. All of the patterns you see here are for sale. And each one of them has got a name and their meaning. And all was done by we the people inside here. Because a lot of people here are all weavers. Master weavers. You know how to do all the designs in the Kente cloth. So here, when you come here inside this shirt, it's Ebola free Kente. There is no Ebola in Ghana and no Ebola in Bonre here. So it's Ebola free in Ghana.
Hear that, family? So come on and get reconnected to the roots.
Like I said, this one.
Return to your roots and get your blessings.
Like I said, this one almost 80 years old.
Wow.
It's very, very old. It's antique. Look at that one. Almost 80 years old. Look at that. It's very, very, very old. See? And this one.
Yes, my brother, how are you? Have you got Ebola?
No.
How can you tell if somebody have Ebola?
No, I don't see how Ebola.
There's no Ebola in Ghana, so none of us would know.
No,
there's no Ebola.
A single one.
Our family live and we're showing time. This is Bomani Tamba on our Ghana October, November 2014 tour. And we're at Bonre Kente Weaving Center, and there's no Ebola here or anywhere in Ghana or
you can call them and come.
No outbreak, family. Come and reconnect to the roots.
Free country in Ghana. It's no Ebola. You're a free country in Ghana. Yeah, this is a born.
Yeah. They work out in the city and they know what's going on in the village and in the city. So if anybody know about what's going on, they would. So family, you're live in Ghana.
You're free. It's no Ebola in Ghana. You're free for your village. You're born here.
NBCs. If they want to prove their case, they need to be here somewhere in West Africa, like Bomani Time on the crew, and show us their evidence. Other than that, they need to shut the hell up and stop disturbing the peace and our reconnection and our people reconnecting to the week. And also other people that would love to just enjoy the culture of West Africa.
Yes. Yes.
And this is our tour guide. He has to have Ebola by now.
I
think he said he got Ebola. You got Ebola?
Oh no. Hey, who said I'll get Ebola? There's Ebola in Texas. There is no Ebola in Ghana.
There's Ebola in Atlanta.
In Atlanta,
Ebola in Ghana.
there is no Ebola in Ghana. Ebola is something that they intentionally created to wipe off Africans. And they lie, but they cannot. We are still united. There's no Ebola in Ghana. Ghana is Ebola free. And we thank God for that.
Thank God.